Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to combine two columns in Excel. We open the Excel file. You can see the data to match. Now in another cell, enter the equal sign. The first cell, add ampersand, quotation marks with space, again ampersand, and finally the second cell. Press enter to see that the cells match. Now you can drag this cell to the others to copy this formula. As an extra method, enter the equal sign in any cell, choose the concat function, select the first cell, enter a semicolon, then the quotation marks with space, again a semicolon, and finally the second cell. Press enter to see the match, and you can drag this function to the other cells. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.